This is a day in the life of a budgeter and a crafter. I'm giving my Vax Hoover a good clean. It's well overdue, it's dusty, and I normally clean the filter. I always clean this regular, but this needs a good clean, especially this needs a good clean. And the brush, I've pulled off all the hairs and string and all sorts of things out of my craft room off of it. That's going to get a good scrub, and this needs a good scrub as well. I can't get on the inside, but I believe it'll be fine once it's had a good soak. I have been soaking them for an hour or so. I've used a little bit of washing up liquid, fairy liquid, and bicarbonate of soda, baking soda, and I'm going to get scrubbing now. So I have this, and I have my handheld brush. It's not very stiff, but it's okay. And I have my toothbrush, just in case I might need it for any little bits and pieces. How have you all been? I have just taken a little break from the budgeting because I'm finding that I'm just consuming myself, thinking about money and thinking about savings challenges and stuff. So I just thought I'd give myself a little break and share some day in the life of me. So that's fine. It hasn't got a big amount of cleaning. This now, I want to give this a good clean. Because it had a lot of strings and bits of hair. It was in a... It gets caught up really quickly, this brush. I don't rate this Vax Hoover, only for flooring, hard flooring, not for carpets per se, because it has to be completely empty, the cylinder, and fully charged to get a really good clean of the carpet. But I don't really like it for the carpet. I'm seriously considering another one, but I'll see, because I like carpet in my bedroom. This was really dirty. It's a lot cleaner than it was. So, these are the bits and pieces that I get up to on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, so this cylinder now, it has to be completely empty and the battery has to be fully charged before you can get a good clean off the carpet. This is good. I mean, the bicarbonate of soda has really worked well. And I'm just going to get an old towel out, put it on the floor, rinse them all off, and put them out in the garden to dry for a bit. the sun is out. It's chilly, but the sun is out, and that's good. That's good enough for me. And I'll get that done. See, this is usually really dirty, but because I clean it regular, this is the main thing that I clean regular. It's not dirty. It's fine. Yeah. So I'll give everything a rinse, and then I will show you. There's the dirty water. Filthy. Well, it's not bad. It's not bad. It could be worse. And I have more to dry here. They're in the sink, but I will put them out on the rug, just draining them a little bit. There we have it. I've put them outside to dry for a bit, and hopefully they can get a good drain in, because the sun's gone in, but still, it's still nice out here. And we'll get that done. Thank you for watching, and leave me a comment. Let me know that you did visit. Also give me a thumbs up if you did like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.